Hey there, check out this amazing YouTube channel with over 1.2 million followers. They create fantastic videos featuring a talking character, a captivating background, and intriguing pictures. Guess what? We can make videos like that too, and even better. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create similar high-quality content that can rival those impressive results. Stick around until the end, so you don't miss any crucial steps. Now, let's be clear, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and dedication, but if you persist, you can achieve the same outstanding results. Don't overthink it, just start doing it. Let's get started. First things first, connect with Chat GPT, a powerful and free tool. Today we're discussing sea animals. So, let's ask Chat GPT to help us create a script for our video. Just wait a moment. Great, when the script is ready, simply copy and paste it into a document. Moving on, let's add a high-quality voiceover. We'll use 11 Labs for this step. Open up 11 Labs and paste the script we got from Chat GPT. You may add punctuation marks to infuse emotion into the voice, like question marks or exclamation marks. Now, you can choose a suitable voice, one of them, and adjust the settings. Here, my recommendation, go with 30 stability and 60 clarity for a natural sounding voice. If you are satisfied with the settings, hit the generate button to create an AI-generated voice. After generating the voiceover, take a moment to listen to the result and make sure it's exactly what you're looking for.
Hello, adventurers. Welcome to another exciting underwater adventure.
Once you are satisfied, feel free to download the voiceover file. Remember, repeat this process for the entire script to maintain consistent narration throughout the video. Now it's time to create an animated background. For this step, we'll be using Canva. Go to Canva and begin by selecting a background that suits your video. For now, choose a background that remains still and doesn't have any additional elements or animations. Now, let's take our background to the next level using Layerpicks. If you want to bring your background to life, Layerpicks can help you achieve that effect. Simply open Layerpicks and upload the background you created earlier in Canva. With this tool, you can make your background elements move. Play around with the settings until you're satisfied with the animation. That's perfect. Now let's address the issue of video quality. Instead of downloading the video in the usual way, I recommend recording your screen while the animation is playing. This way you can capture the animation in much better quality. In this step, go back to Canva and upload the recorded video and add all the other elements to enhance your video quality. Here you show your creativity, which can shine. Add images, elements, animations, and anything that enhances the educational experience for your viewers. Don't forget to add the voiceover that you created earlier. This ensures that each animal is introduced at the right time. Once you're satisfied with your composition, it's time to download the animated background video. Now you have to create a speaking character to make our video even more engaging. Head over to Adobe Express, which is a free animation maker for YouTube. Click on the link that says Make Animations for YouTube. There you'll find an array of captivating characters to choose from. For our video, I've selected the character Hopscotch. Customize your character by enabling a green screen background and selecting a suitable size for YouTube videos. Now, import the voiceover audio clips created earlier, and just like that our character springs to life and check it.
Hello, adventurers.
If you're satisfied, download the animated character video. If the animated character and background are ready, it's time to start everything together using video editing software. I recommend CapCut for its user-friendly interface. Now, go to CapCut and import the background video, character video, and voiceover. Arrange them on the timeline, mute the audio of one file to prevent overlap, and use the chroma key to seamlessly integrate the character with the background. Now, resize and position the character on the screen as needed, and ensure it doesn't block any essential visuals. Congratulations, you've completed creating your first AI animated video. Let's check it.
Today, we're diving deep into the ocean to explore 3 incredible sea creatures. Our first creature is the mighty shark. Sharks are incredible predators that have ruled the oceans for millions of years.
Now, create a new YouTube channel and upload your videos. Follow these steps to grow your educational kids channel. Remember, the key is to create high-quality content. Be inspired by other successful channels and let your creativity shine. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'm here for your questions, and until next time, happy creating!